I want to show you what I bought at the market in Chesterfield yesterday. Now this is my first trying railways box. It's by Hornby. I've got one Baxter and one mainland, but it's my first trying box I've got. I'll just show you, and this is also what I've got. So I'll show you a crescent toy, but it's not really a toy. I'll show you this first. It is a Pullman, a blue Pullman, as you can see. It's not brand new. It is. There's the side of the box. R158 diesel trailer car. Quite a nice little box, quite an old box. Trying railways, built by Britain by Roex Scale Models Limited. I do believe that this may run along the Monster Trail in Derbyshire before 1968 when the line closed. Here are some photos. With these photos, what I've done is I've gone to the Monster Trail. I've gone to exactly the same place where these photos have been taken and done my own version. Like there's one by the Monster Dale coming out of the tunnel, but I haven't gone in the same place because it was taken up far away and you wouldn't been able to see anything. So this was, I think this tunnel is called Headstone Tunnel, if I remember correctly. And then another one, photos is the Menisdale, coming out from Menisdale station. And the reason why you see a great big fence behind it, because that line is now closed, and there's like two bridges. The bridge on the right hand side can't have access to it. You're not allowed to walk on it, but the bridge on the left hand side you can. And then on the third tunnel is by the Cheadle Tunnel. There's Cheadle number 2 tunnel. Number 2 tunnel is a shorter one. As I said, I've just gone into those 3 places. And I've taken my own version on, so it might look a bit small, but there you go. So let me just show you this. Don't know if you can quite see that. It says made in Crescent, England. Got through it. Quite a nice little box there. Crescent toys made in England. Number 1233 gantry signal made in England. And I think you can even see it says 3 and 6. I think you need to say it 3 and 6 there. But there's a new price of it, 9,879, £8. That's how I bought all this. I'll show you this other one I've got as well. This other signal, horn made in, I think that says made in England, Hornby Railways. I think that says £8, £6. So that's what, £14. Well, I basically got this Pullman and these two all for 50 quid. So that wasn't too bad, I suppose. So I'm not quite too sure if this actually works, but let's just give it a shot. Not really working. That's this one. You only get this if you join the Hornby Club. Well, I know that one's working. Oh, that's a shame. It is actually quite, even though I'm into steam engines, this is quite a nice thing. Don't get disappointed. If your loco don't move, there you get 2 strong steam locomotive. You've got the Evening Star connected to the Cock over North. So that Pullman is being pulled by those two, as I just said, the Evening Star and the Cock over North. Watch this. There you go. So you can actually see it going. So it's now acting like a carriage. Just so you can see what it looks like when it's going. So let's pretend that those 2 steam locomotives aren't there. So, okay. Oh look, it's going. See? Isn't that very nice? There you go. So you now get to see this Pullman being pulled. Is that why they call it Pullman? I don't know. Just had another idea. I've got added these actual Pullman. It says on the top Pullman. So made it. Might we add another steam engine to this? Oh no. And you can see it's actually got lights. These 3 carriages, and my only carriages have got lights in them. And there's my Network Rail with T coaches. it's quite busy now. I don't know how well you can see that. Just see the 3 lights on it. You get the idea now. Wobbling a bit. I don't like the way that's wobbling. Introduced in the 1960s, the Blue Pullman were the first trains to be fully air conditioned. Only 6 sets were built, mechanically based on Southern Region commuter trains. They were capable of 90 miles an hour and carried a technical and in addition to the normal train crew of a driver and guards. These express diesel multiple units were the forerunners of today's high-speed trains. Their lives were very short-lived as, after a number of years on the Midland line from St Pancras, they were moved to the West Coast main line, being finally scrapped in the early 1970s. That's a bit of information about them. I don't think many survive. There's only actually still going. Maybe I don't think they even exist today, I don't think. So maybe I have to try take a look to see why. I'm not very good at taking things apart and mending them, but don't seem to want to work. But there you go. You've got 3 levers. See that in one for that there, and then those go up and down. And again you've got these little levers here. The Hornby double arm. That one's called. But it's a bit disappointing that's not working. Shame. That is actually a nice loco. I'm not actually into diesels, but that one I am. I quite like. I'm not quite too sure. Maybe I'll get somebody to fix it. They want it to work. There you go. So, it's got a blue front. There's a very tiny little logo that you can actually see that too well. And it's yellow on the back. No logo. Makes it a bit more real. Is that? Oh, that is quite high, so that does. They've got to be quite high. That's more than high enough, but that looks a bit low. But that is just high enough. Very small clearance gap that has got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.